everyone. I'm in the kitchen with Chef Monti Carlo
Hi.
from MasterChef, and you promised you're going to make me a lunch in less than 3 minutes.
Yes,
what are we doing?
I did. So we are making an incredible vegetable confetti with a brand new type of pasta called ZENB Pasta Agile.
Ah, what is this pasta made out of?
Okay, look at this. It is made with one single ingredient, 100% yellow peas, and it's got a brand new shape never done before. Isn't that beauteous?
Love that. Little canal in there.
Absolutely
The grooves?
right. Yes.
All right, so you said that you were going to make this meal in under 3 minutes.
That's right. We just have some shredded carrots, we just diced some sweet peppers, and we're gonna saute them until they're fragrant.
What can I do while you're doing that?
I would love it if you helped me make a flavorful broth. And it's just water. We're gonna add garlic and salt.
You've already plated this for me, ginger and garlic and salt, and I make flavorful broth.
You gotta listen to the pan.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
talking to you.
The pan is speaking my language. And I just add the sesame oil to the water.
That's ready to go. You see how bright and beautiful it
it's
is?
still so bright. Okay.
I know. You just put
Pour
it
it in
in.
there.
So easy.
All right, now we're going to take our wonderful pasta.
This is my favorite part. You just throw it in.
Oh my gosh.
You wanna
Go ahead.
stir it up?
I'll stir a little
Okay,
bit.
do it. Amen. And that is going to cook literally in under 3 minutes. We're going to taste it in just a minute because you don't want it to overcook.
Okay, I can't wait to taste this.
Yes.
All right.
Look
Ooh,
at
nice
this.
and hot. Mmm.
Okay.
This is so good.
Okay.
Love the flavor of the pasta, so tender. You have to check out ZENB. Just go to zenb.com, get their pasta, and guess what? Go today, type in Chicago today, and you get 20% off.
Looks good. Courtney, bring me some of that pasta, please.